I'm not talking, I'm sorry.
What?
The same thing with the pre no king man.
Yo, man, shouldn't even dare such thing, you know. You come shot, man, I want to come interrogate, man. I'm to you. Eh? I'm to you.
What did I do in my place?
Yo, man, I go back over this, you know. You think I revision? Now, sue me, I go sue no. You almost take my life.
A graze, they get graze. If you did get shot, you would spend only 1 week in the hospital. As a matter of fact, you would even die at the hospital.
Oh. So you shot me and a brag. Just know, say, it's a different money that I'm suing.
You tell the police you come at my house for check on cable. Me not have cable issue. And me never call a cable company.
They tell me, say, a call come from your place to change the cable box. You see me?
And you decide to come at my yard without calling first? At that them teach you the company?
So the dog back, I mean, you're loud nice in the house. So I decide to fall at the gate and call me.
You do more than that. You pull my grill, open my door, and enter.
And you shoot me just before I could identify myself and tell you when I come back.
Garfield Jones, 32-year-old laborer from St. Catherine. Single. Worked in construction for 3 years. Presently work for Better View Cable Company.
You see that? So that means that your agency in a problem. Right now, I'm head hurt me from when I drop and lick me head start. Yo, it's a different money that in the lawsuit. All you supposed to cute in the suit.
Teflon is an old school warrior energy. Them man they nah gonna make a life just go down so. If him can help, him might go ahead.
Brother, said day when we get the community them to forward out. And the said day for go on you.
So, tell me something. You still don't know who responsible for the move.
No, you know, King. And nobody no see nothing. So it happened so fast.
In a broad daylight, bad man, somebody must see what go on. And all the people them are all out. You hear that?
You know, in all honesty, them no must see nothing in of it. Because when the average man or woman hear a gunshot, immediately them become disoriented. You overs?
I get a call from Morrison saying forward. Reach home. So I give him about 2 days. And then I give him a link.
That is it.
So I have to rate the cat that's still in a king. May I tell you, it's a real cat, it don't feel like a joke.
Real girl, I am.
Yeah, man, for real. If for some woman, them never go forward back around him.
A real talk, you know. Cause no foolishness the man go on within the last half year, you know that.
Yeah, but we not talk about that now.
Yo, we have to address it, you know, bad man. You can't go on like say the man did right, brother.
So how I say the man did right? We just say the man get caught up and him could have dead.
So even if he get caught up, I would have caused that. He would have caused that for himself, brother.
Yo, don't me the idiot talking, no, Bridget. We know, say.
Hey! Man,
Who you work for?
What? My girl, you have my information in front of you. What happened? A trial in there?
Why you have 2 profiles? And why it seems like somebody will work hard for hide your real life? Eh? Dodga?
Where you getting name from?
Non-political activist was a member of a gang called Quengers. Arrested twice on gun-related charges, but never convicted.
Yo, people ever pin things from like me a clothesline. Where you get that from?
If you used to roll with Queen of them, that mean you know Siva.
Oh, look a girl like you. Ask me them type of question. Yeah, what? You a real police? Or I use them, I use it for try to collect information from I. You know, so I need to link back my lawyer still, you know.
You're not under arrest, you know. So that's not necessary.
You know, so this is a violation of my rights. What compensation go?
Your hospital bill was paid. That's about it.
I lose days from work. Oh, the
Dodga, you know some would have quit while me a lead. Don't feel like a right. Why we are play down this case. We just now want the load up. Because we know say something bigger are going on so.
Oh, so you're wrong.
Listen, my brother. There's no side of the story where you go win. It just gonna get darker for you if you pursue it. Hear how this I go. You never repeat anything about what happened or the fact that I'm an agent. And pray say, me not find out say you lie about the cable company.
You sound like a threat.
It's more like a promise. A promise say we can make your life a nightmare. Especially if we find out say you work on the other side of the law. Siva is public enemy number 1. So if my link even a toenail to him, I eat that feel. You overs.
Yes, Miss Agent. No overs. Free for go now.
Yeah. Oh, Dodga. You show your daughter and your baby mother. See if down a bedrock. Who you hide from?
Wrong place, wrong time, wrong argument. One of we own nearly losing 3 points. Right now, we have to give thanks, say him alright, and find out who the perpetrator is. And that's the thing there.
That me a talk about, and that's how my meds there. We can't play a fool and just run out, so you know. Because you have to remember, so we not turn certain way in a bad man.
But Vicious, you don't read me. I know say we should just run out there and take on this like some athead. We have to be strategic. It's a chess game.
Real talk, we have to know which move to make.
Tell me something. I know me did miss it for a minute. But what really did I want on the block?
Boy, King man, a bag of things going. We never make the best out of it still. But after the meeting with ranking at the bar, things get strange.
Strange. Oh.
Man get more paranoid and not take no talk.
Yeah, because of our action, Miss Brissett and whisper forward and clean up the block.
Clean up the block.
Eh. Then lift up with the all iron them we have on the ground.
Cha-cha.
So what's your conclusion?
He's being protected by someone in power.
And that's the person who sent him to the house.
Obviously.
And who would have reason to send him to you?
Everton Daily.
But we have no solid.
Proof.
So now we...
Set the bait and see what we catch.
So we have one more interrogation, which means we're going to have to make a house or an office call.
Yes, sir. I know.
So, are you ready to face her?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
You did good. You did good.
Are you an agent, Toniann? So you are. All this time you are playing me.